Understanding Natural Language Processing (NLP). Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into one of the most fascinating areas of artificial intelligence, natural language processing, or NLP. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about how machines understand human language, this video is for you. So what exactly is natural language processing? Let's break it down. What is NLP? NLP is a field of AI focused on the interaction between computers and humans through natural language. Its goal is to enable machines to understand, interpret, and respond to human language in a way that is both meaningful and useful. Key components of NLP. NLP encompasses several key components, including text analysis, breaking down and understanding text data, speech recognition, converting spoken language into text, natural language generation, creating human-like text from data, sentiment analysis, determining the sentiment or emotion behind text. Let's take a closer look at each. Text analysis. Text analysis involves parsing and understanding written content. This includes tasks like tokenization, splitting text into words or phrases, part of speech tagging, identifying parts of speech, such as nouns, verbs, and adjectives, named entity recognition, identifying and categorizing entities like names, dates, and locations. For example, in the sentence Apple is launching a new product on July 15th, tokenization would split this into Apple is launching etc. And NEAR would recognize Apple as a company and July 15th as a date. Speech recognition. Speech recognition converts spoken language into text. This involves acoustic modeling, understanding how sounds correspond to phonemes, language modeling, predicting the sequence of words based on context, speech-to-text (STT) systems, translating spoken words into written text. Applications include virtual assistants like Siri and Google Assistant, which transcribe spoken commands into actionable tasks. Natural language generation (NLG). NLG is about generating human-like text from structured data. This includes text summarization, creating concise summaries from longer documents, chatbots generating responses to user queries and conversational interfaces, content creation, automatically writing articles or reports based on input data. For instance, NLG can be used to automatically generate sports news reports based on game statistics. Sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis determines the emotional tone behind a piece of text. It can be positive, negative, or neutral, classifying the sentiment expressed. Aspect-based sentiment analysis, identifying sentiment towards specific aspects of a product or service. Businesses use sentiment analysis to gauge customer feedback and monitor brand reputation. Popular NLP models. Some popular NLP models include BERT, bidirectional encoder representations from transformers, excels in understanding context in both directions. GPT, generative pre-trained transformer known for generating human-like text. Spacey and NLTK, libraries that provide tools for various NLP tasks. These models have revolutionized NLP by improving accuracy and efficiency in processing and generating natural language. Applications of NLP. NLP has a wide range of applications, including customer support, automating responses with chatbots, translation services, providing real-time translation of text and speech, content recommendations, personalizing content based on user preferences. These applications help improve user experiences and operational efficiency across various industries. Challenges in NLP. Despite its advancements, NLP faces several challenges. Ambiguity, words and phrases can have multiple meanings. Context understanding, capturing context in conversations and text. Bias, ensuring models are free from biases that can affect fairness. Researchers are continuously working on these challenges to make NLP more accurate and inclusive. The future of NLP. The future of NLP looks promising with ongoing advancements such as improved language models, more accurate and context-aware models, multilingual capabilities, better support for multiple languages and dialects, human-AI collaboration, enhanced interactions between humans and AI. As technology evolves, NLP will continue to play a pivotal role in making interactions with machines more natural and intuitive. That's a wrap on our exploration of natural language processing. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest content. Drop any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.